Hey, what up, you guys? It's Rafa here again. So today I'm doing kind of like a vlog style video, but right now Mikey came over and we're gonna go change a tire for his mom's car because it has a flat. I'm gonna start vlogging with my iPhone camera just because I feel like it's much easier than my other camera since I don't have like the proper equipment or anything. So yeah, that's just gonna be for now until I save some money and get an actual camera and stuff, you know. But so here's Mikey's dad's car, Trailblazer V6. What up, Mikey?
What up?
Alright, so we're gonna go change out the tire in the back. Yeah, Mikey got a kid, you know. that young daddy life.
Nah, my foot getting too strong. Can't be fucking that right now.
Bye, Subi. Love you.
What the fuck is this? Just kidding.
Alright guys, so right now we're pulling up to the spot. We're gonna get the tire changed. We're going to, what is it, Mikey?
Barney's Tire and Wheel, something like that.
Barney's Tire and Wheel. We don't really come out to Temecula much, but this is where his dad ordered the tire for his mom. There goes the fire truck. Oh, there we are. Barney's. I know I'm pretty bad at posting videos, but I'm out of school. Finally graduated. I should be coming up with more content and stuff. So I don't know. We'll see what leads me into the new world of college or work. I'm gonna try to stick to YouTube for a little, see how that goes. I'm gonna do college, and I don't know. Life is changing for me, so hope for the best.
Not that.
Yeah, I like the pink color, dude. Doesn't the pink look good?
Yeah, I like this color too.
It's like a green, blue, like dark, like a blue green. Has a little sparkle to it.
Like a. Not turquoise, I don't know.
You know, that gym life. Mikey.
You never stop getting
The grind don't stop, right, Mikey?
Never stops, dog. Everywhere you go.
I have it just in case you get that pump.
Exactly.
This is for his mom's. What is that, Tahoe or Suburban?
Oh, what the
Oh, look
fuck?
at this over
Why
here.
does this have air?
C10 over here. Probably C10. I don't even know. What is it? Yeah, Chevy.
My dad wants to repump it with something.
My dad has a GMC Sierra Classic, like in '76 or something, and we're doing an LS swap on that. I don't know, maybe I could let you guys know on the details. I mean, it's pretty much done. It just has like, it needs wiring, and it should start up. I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys when that happens, and we could take it on for a spin and maybe do some burnouts or something, because you know, how you're not gonna do a burnout. Alright.
Okay, here your receipt. I was waiting to print it until I got the mileage on the car. He gave you the credit card one?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your.
Mikey out here, about to buy some wheels. Just kidding. We broke, boys. But Mikey's actually been looking for some wheels for his car. Yeah. Got Enkies. My old Subaru had them. I wish I never sold that Subaru, but no, I ain't about the automatic life.
Oh, I should tell George about these for his Mustang. George, if you're or
The
Mustang
Camaro,
Camaro,
wow.
Ford. I forgot about
Wow.
that. I'm not about Ford, guys. I can't fuck with them at all. So, George, if you're watching, we got you
Got you, bro.
here. Yeah.
Mikey said he really likes these. Can't really see though.
Well, maybe not necessarily these, but I just like this style.
He likes
like this mesh web style for the car.
I don't know, Mikey's car has a long way to progress in many ways. We don't know what we're gonna do with it. We got the road done. I'm holding receipt. Mike doing the big boy work. What happened?
So they come with like obviously because it's fucking brand new, but like it's just pretty thick. Like for new tread. I don't know. I've never had new fucking tires. I always fucking have used tires. So
I put this in the Trailblazer.
we have it.
Me and Mike are about to go eat after this. Cause I'm starving. Mike, you wearing my pants because he ain't got no pants.
Yeah, do laundry, dude.
Gang, gang. iPhone 7 gang. You already know.
Bro, what the fuck? I told this
Got
dude
them
I wanted
kickers.
the old fucking tire back.
It's probably that one right there, dude. In the corner.
Wait, what size is this?
Just put it in, bro. Come on, Mikey. You don't hit the gym for nothing. Oh, shit. Tire back, but I guess this is how they took it off, and there's a bunch of white stuff, and Mikey's grossed out.
Oh, it's not grossed out, but I don't want to get that shit all in the car. My dad was like, he texted me, he was like, bring the tire back because I'm gonna just fucking patch it myself. He's like, I'm not gonna have them pay for them to do all that shit. I'm just running into the wall a couple times.
He's gonna run into the wall to get the rest of the white stuff off. Oh my god. You go, Mikey. You go. I cleaned the tire. We ain't trying to get the Trailblazer all dirty. Got this beauty right here. Mikey. That is pretty badass. Smells nice. Can't wait till my GMC is running. Wow. So we got done. We got the tire back there and the wheel. So I guess we found out that fix-a-flat doesn't work. It's just to tell you where the hole is pretty much, because Mikey used fix-a-flat to try to fix the hole.
I don't know about that though. I mean, we've used it on other flats before and it's worked. But it was so hot too that like all the material just pretty much melted, came out, and it was just like running out. So it wasn't. I guess
But
it's not the best.
according to the mechanics over here, they're saying that it doesn't work for your car. It tells you where the hole is pretty much, and then like on newer cars, you know how they have like tire pressure sensors. Like if you put that inside your tire while it's messed up, like it's gonna mess up the sensor also. So I guess I wouldn't recommend using fix-a-flat. Just a heads up.
Yeah, just don't use it.
Yeah, don't use it.
Find
All
something else to patch it.
Yeah, just patch it up with a patch kit or get a new tire. Mikey's gonna patch, or his dad's gonna patch up the other tire, so.
They both have an extra tire still.
Yeah, so.
It wasn't a huge hole, it was just a screw, and he pulled it out, so it made all fucking air run out.
Well, we're gonna go eat, cause your boy's hungry. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're rolling by, and then we passed by like this, I don't know what this place is. It looks like they make rock climbing vehicles or something. But there's like Jeeps and stuff, and we stopped. We were rolling by, and Mikey wanted to stop and check this big monster thing out. I don't know what it is.
I don't know shit about these kind of things.
This is like some, it says Black Ops 4x4 type of thing. Oh my god, are those still freaking?
Those mud flaps, dude.
That is insane.
Oh my god.
So Mikey want to get off and check it out because it's pretty badass, I guess. It has some huge tires, and then we found a T-bucket too. It's pretty dope. Check it, you guys. See that? Look how big these tires are. Stand next to it, Mikey. Bro, check it. Mikey, how tall are you?
5'8".
He's 5'8", bro. Look. This is up to like my chest. Like, that's insane. The Black Ops 4x4. Turn it on. That is insane. That was badass. That's bad. That's a big boy right there. It's a big boy's toy. Check it.
Ooh, you thought it shot fire out, huh?
What do you think, Mikey?
I like it. I'll fucking take it.
You know what? I like this T-bucket over here.
Yours is? Yeah. Yeah? How about the rat rod? Is that yours?
This T-bucket over here, pretty bad. I always wanted one of these, but they usually make them out of Ford trucks. And my dad doesn't like Ford, so that's why we never.
Hey, that's cool.
Yeah, see, Ford. We don't mess with Ford, so that's why I've never built one of these. Or my dad has. It has some meaty ass tires though. That thing's badass. I'm kind of glad we stopped. Another Black Ops 4x4 sticker. Damn, look at the shift now goes to the roof. That is pretty bad.
Dang, bro. That's badass.
I kind of want to hear this thing. Look at this exhaust,
Crazy,
bro.
like,
Look at
the
this.
seat. It's
Look
just
at-
like,
That's bad. Out here eating. Oh, I'm already done with my burger.
done.
Mikey's done with his burger. I finished my fry. He about to finish his fries. Mikey got soccer practice in a little bit, but
Like,
we'll see him later at the Jamaica Tuesday meet at pole position. Alright, so we're here at George's crib. Showing off all his cars because he has like 10,000 of them. And a whole bunch of motorcycles too. Hashtag rich. That was scary.
This is it, bro.
So this is a 350 right here, George.
Yep.
That's dope. He's painting it, making it look pretty. For the Camaro. Check it. George's project in process. Just got these wheels and put them on today. Some meaty ones in the back.
where's your, it's still in there?
Oh, you want to see a supercharger?
You gonna put a supercharger in this?
Damn.
Okay, so George wants to put a supercharger in this Camaro. What year is this Camaro? A 68 Camaro with the 350. 4 years though. 4 years. 4 years.
Oh, my bad. This shit's bad, bro.
Oh my god, where'd you get this thing?
Some fool in the. He had it in the barn, bro.
What?
In a barn?
Yeah.
Hey, if I'm trying to find someone like that, they always have cool shit.
Yeah, bro.
So that.
And when he can.
So why do you want to put it in that?
Horses, bro.
Okay, but how much you get that thing for?
Like a G.
God damn.
Then new fuel stuff? Fuel?
Yeah, bro. This is gonna haul ass, bro.
Hell yeah, dude.
For 4 gears?
Are you gonna switch it to 5-speed?
Drag racing.
Drag racing?
My dad's talking about taking out the engine that's in the Camaro and swapping in this.
Oh, yeah?
We have a Z28 over there.
But that'd be sick. Supercharged that.
And, I think it's just the LS1, but still full LS.
Fuck yeah, dude. I don't give a fuck what it is. I'll take any of it.
Oh yeah, if you guys don't know, this is George. Say what's up to the channel, George. Alright, so you guys don't know George, but he drives the 300 ZX. It's over there hiding. I posted some pictures of it on our Instagram, but he just got it freshly repainted, so it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
But it's in the dark, hiding, creeping.
So we're gonna push it? We're gonna push it?
You still want to go to the meet?
It's all you, man.
I can't.
So this is Georgia Z right here. Fresh white paint. He might get new wheels for it. He's looking. It's kind of dirty right now. We're supposed to go to meet today, but it didn't work out. So we're just probably gonna kick it. The homies. Jacob's probably gonna come. He finally fixed his Genesis after like 2 months. So right now we're trying to go eat, but Georgia Z doesn't want to start, so we gotta push it. So we're pushing this thing.
Alright. Yeah, you're chilling.
All right. So we gotta give it
ready?
we gotta give it a good push.
One. I feel like my legs are running so fast, but the car is going so slow. 3. Go!
You gotta run, you guys. After that long push. All right. So we'll see you, George, at In-N-Out. All right, guys. So we just finished eating here. We're with the guys. We're with Michael, Sergio, freaking gay ass Jacob.
Dude, are you recording with an iPhone?
Yes, I'm recording with an iPhone.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jacob finally got the Jenny back. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, so he finally got the Jenny back. He straight piped it, pretty much. We're out here with George, Sergio,
Keys inside.
Are you? No, you're.
Nah.
Jacob, and Michael. He's about to start the car. George wants to hear it. Yeet.
Should I be obnoxious?
Yes.
Oh yeah, dude. Not yet.
Should I?
Wait, what?
Should I be obnoxious?
Push start.
Should I be obnoxious? Are we listening or not?
Let it warm up.
Where's the Mustang at? Hold on.
Let it warm up.
Hey kid, hey.
So how do you feel that you got your car back?
You know, I mean, I'm very grateful. You know, I just want to shout out to my mom real quick. My sisters, you know. My girlfriend, yeah,
Wow,
you know.
he almost forgot about you, Emma. Dang.
No, I didn't.
Emma, if you're watching this, get your boy at check. Get your boy at check, Emma.
You've been replaced, baby, my bad. No, just
It's not even that loud though.
Yes, it is, babe. Sounds pretty good. All right, dude. Hit it.
But it's an automatic.
Hey, but you're not turboed.
Don't worry, he's gonna get a manual soon, you guys.
Hey, don't worry, Rafa will get a turbo soon.
Just
You won't
wait
be
on it.
opposing.
Bro, so Jacob didn't reverse park, but a car reverse parked. See, even he's a real car guy.
It's fine, dude. It's
You're
fine.
so lame.
No,
Look, I reverse parked, Mikey reverse parked, but he's not here right now. He left. George reverse parked. What's up?
dude.
What's your excuse?
This is the most efficient way to save time. You just.
You gotta look good, bro.
Alright.
So we're out here
I'm
again,
gonna start reverse parking from now on.
in and out. We gotta push George's car again. I don't know if this is illegal. I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be illegal,
I
but
can't leave till the cop leaves.
How many speeds?
yeah,
I'm stuck here.
Jacob's stuck here. He just revved the shit out of his car, and the cop just parked right there for no reason.
What way should we push it? Like, I think that's down.
Oh.
But like, or like just that way.
No people, you know, we just turned around.
I'll just park it, bro.
We're pushing this thing. Oh, they're pushing it. I pushed it earlier.
He thinks we're trying to escape after revving.
Since they're trying to push it, I'm not gonna push it this time, guys. Jacob's always just too lazy, you know.
Stop filming, too.
Jacob's getting moral support.
No, man, shit, you gotta
Keep that ass tight. Let's go.
Emma, if you're watching this, you need to keep your boy in check.
Hey, the cops coming. Hey, the cops.
It's fine.
Wait, are we gonna push it yet?
Nah, we're gonna chill for this one.
Alright, so I guess we're gonna wait until the cop leaves. Thanks a lot, Jacob.
You're welcome.
Just because you're straight pipe, do you think you're cool?
Hey, let's push your car.
I never said that, but if you think that, I appreciate it.
Man, let's push your car over here now.
You want to? In front of him?
It won't be that loud.
Alright, you're right.
You're really gonna push your car?
I left my window down. Okay, can I at least put my window up?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's gonna look suspicious.
Are we just gonna wait over here? What are we doing?
Yeah, that's gonna look stupid, huh?
Hey,
Pop your
hey,
hood, it's like
hey, no,
like
let's
looking
go
at
to
your
the
roots.
cop and ask for stickers.
He wants to ask. He want to ask for stickers from the cop.
What was it? Memorial Day, alright? We go to a lake, public lake, and there's these Mexicans. They're arguing, and there's this chick slapping a dude, and the cops show up. It's so intense. It's so intense. And my cousin like, hey, we should go get some stickers.
So tell us about your Z, George.
No, but they have the 2x2, right?
It's NA.
They have the 2+2 and it's turbo.
I got one.
No, that's only in Europe.
Do you have
Really?
stickers?
In the States, they only come 2+0 and
They're all that
turbos.
The NA life.
Damn.
Me and George,
Wow.
Mikey, everybody else. But
Disgusting.
you think you're cool, Jacob? Cause you got turbo. You think your automatic
I think-
turbo is cool?
It is cool.
Automatic turbo.
It is cool.
Hey, that's how Mike's gonna be, fool. This Turbo Civic.
Civic.
Oh,
gay.
automatic too.
Automatic. Gay. Honda. Gay.
Hell yeah.
You're dope. This is how you're trying to connect with your viewers.
Hey. Sorry,
If it
bro.
ain't
but-
mine, it sucks.
Hey, don't worry. I got underglow in my car. That's just rice.
Underglow.
You want to underglow my car?
Yeah.
Let's turn that shit on right now.
No, that's illegal.
Hey, why are you running?
He's finally going to turn on his car. Oh my god, what is this thing doing? Oh god. Let's see if we can hear from here. Oh god.
He's putting it on the joke.
He's pushing it. What the fuck? This thing, oh my god, this thing is really pushing it. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Hey, is that no
He's really pushing it back here, guys.
Did we go help him or no?
Nah, he didn't want to help you push your car.
Yeah, you're right. Yo, but fuck you, Jacob.
You don't want help. You don't want help.
Hey.
Oh god.
Hey, he's about to move. He's about to move.
That's not that loud.
Mario, you should go get your car.
That Genesis older is louder than this one. Can he back in? Can he back in? No, he couldn't do it first try. He's not a car guy. You couldn't do it first try, Jacob. And an automatic. Jacob, what is this, bro? What is this? What is this? You couldn't reverse park the first time in an automatic. In an automatic. In an automatic.
He's automatic and he's proud.
I just yanked it up.
Oh.
From the factory, bro?
Yeah.
It's actually.
Alright, so it's almost midnight, you guys. We out here. Jacob trying to vlog.
Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
He's so gay. What you gotta say?
What's
How
wrong
do
with
you
gay people? Subscribe to me if you love fags. No, I'm just
Jacob likes fags, you guys. Follow him on Instagram.
That's your new thumbnail again?
I'll put it inside the description. So if you're into fags and you want Jacob, he got a man bun and everything. Hit him up. Send him nudes.
See, look,
You're
this
not
is
even down.
this is a definition of push to start right here.
All right, so they're pushing it. They got it. They got it. George got it.
That's a hell of a lot easier than the truck.
Yeah.
Alright, see you, Jordan.
Sorry, that's what I'm talking
Yo, close your door.
You right. My fucking door's gonna fly out, so we're just stuck in the door. Alright, guys.
Alright, see you later.
Oh my God, is that Rascals?
Bro, you already know.
Oh my God, let me get an autograph.
Alright guys, so I'm about to dip. I'm about to turn out my underglow because fuck the police, fuck finessing pigs out here, you already know. Rascals, gang.
You really got undergo?
You ain't even down. Check this shit out. Check this out. Alright. Later dudes. Hey, what up you guys, it's me. I just remembered I didn't film an outro to the video. But you guys know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let us know how we're doing. Videos are gonna be posting up soon. But I'll see you guys in the next one.